This is you. You are looking for a niche in which you want to start your channel. This is me and I will give you some ideas. Let's waste no more time. Niche 1. Scary stories. There's a reason why Reddit creepypasta has a huge following. It is true that being scared isn't for everyone, but it is definitely appealing to a specific audience. Mr. Nightmare is probably one of the biggest names in that niche, with over 6 million subscribers and 1 billion total views. His videos have almost no editing, however, his voice fits the niche perfectly. Not all successful horror story YouTube channels have that type of voice, but it definitely helps him to hold the attention of his viewers. According to Social Blade, estimated monthly income of Mr. Nightmare channel is between 2.7k to 43k. I know that is a pretty wide range, but it is Social Blade, and if your voice is too pretty for scary stories niche, I got you covered. Niche number 2 to start a Faces YouTube channel is gaming. Gaming is one of the most popular niches on YouTube with a massive audience. The gaming niche offers endless opportunities for content creators, and there are many sub-niches to choose from. Let's Play series. Walkthrough videos that guide viewers through a game offering tips and strategies for completing levels and achieving certain goals. Or you can make all sorts of videos about one specific game. But even though you can easily create and grow a Faces gaming channel on YouTube, you must be aware of that CPM of gaming. Niche is significantly lower compared to most niches on YouTube. Niche number 3. But before that, if you want me to dive deeper in one of the niches, subscribe and let me know in the comments. Investigation channels. Making videos on this niche requires a lot of time and dedication since you are literally running an online investigation around a certain topic, but the length of your videos are going to be absurd, which equals more watch time, more revenue, and pretty much more everything as long as you find a topic that is interesting enough and craft your video well. Coffeezilla, one of my favorites in that niche, could be a great reference if you want to start a similar channel. Niche number 4. Unboxing. Combined with either voiceover or ASMR. Debex is one of my personal favorites. Thumbnails are pretty straightforward, titles are again the same. Affiliate income of this niche, especially if you are making unboxing videos for technology products, is incredible. However, I'm aware of making videos like these requires a massive budget, or is it? Have you ever heard about Apple's 14 days no question asked return policy? Niche number 5. Cooking. The cooking niche is an extremely popular and profitable niche on YouTube. There are many channels that focus on cooking and a lot of them are Faces channels and some of them doesn't even have any voiceover. Cooking niche provides a great opportunity to make money on YouTube. Not the biggest channel in that niche, Men with the Pot, is a channel that I personally love watching and his monthly AdSense revenue is ranging between 1k to 16k according to Social Blade. Cooking niche is one of the best when it comes to partnerships and brand deals. So the true monthly revenue of these channels are actually pretty high. However, cooking requires a certain set of skills and you may not possess them like me in that case. For those who watched all the way here, I will provide you a list with 27 niches and 135 sub-niches. Link is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe.